With an automatic transmission, this coupe is well equipped. This Chevrolet features front-wheel drive, fog lights, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, OnStar, and traction control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.